Hey guys, how's it going? I've got my two longer 3D printers set up here next to each other on a table, and that's because I've been having some helpers come over to help me print stuff, just to be able to restart I almost said server. I've been working on a Minecraft server for a while to help me restart the printers. So I've got them both working on different projects right now, and I just have them set up so it's pretty easy to make it work. I do actually have a lot of complaints, honestly, about these 3D printers. In all honesty, I am not a big complainer, so I don't really like to say negative things about stuff, about products, but these have had a good amount of issues. They're engineered well, but they were not assembled well. I mean, because they came mostly assembled, so just wanted to say they're good if you're willing to put in a little bit of effort. I'm glad I got them for 150 bucks a piece, and I have no idea why Amazon charges 300 for them. No one's sold them. I guess no one's trying to sell them cheaper on Amazon, but of course I have my other, sorry, it's kind of messing here. I got my other 3D printers over here, 4 of them, and then I have one more downstairs. So yeah, those are working too. Anyway, I just want to show that I have them set up and they're working nicely right now. You just have to be patient and tune them, and I'd be happy to make a video about how to do that with 3D printers because everyone is a little bit different. But make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will be sure to do some of those videos about just getting your settings tweaked to have your prints really pretty. So leave a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.